Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I got another little parcel of Happy Mail and have a guess who sent this? Yes, it's Glynis again. Now it's taken me a few days to put this one on because Muttley's been at the vet. I've had a really busy couple of days and my mobile phone went on the blink. The battery went on my mobile phone and I was only getting like 2 or 3 minutes of time on my phone, so I had to put that into repair. So I've been without my mobile phone. So I'm going to open up this parcel and we'll see what Glynis has sent today. Oh, she sent some treats for Muttley. So since he's not here, I'll take these out. There's a bag of treats for Muttley. I'm going to put them over there. There's our usual little card that she sends. That's a really pretty one. A little yellow butterfly. I think this is a buttercup fairy, the buttercup fairy. And she makes these beautiful little cards. And oh, some beautiful blue yarn. There's one. Oh, there's another little bag of treats. Another little bag of treats for Muttley. I'll put them aside so he doesn't see them. He's not to get so many. And another bag. Oh, there's a label in there. One of the labels have come off, but it's in the bag. And there's one more. Oh, look at this. That is brilliant. I'll keep the bag for Muttley to play with. Look at that. She sent this beautiful, it's really tough as well. Oh, it squeaks. Oh, he's going to love that. He's absolutely going to love that. That might help wake him up a little bit. That's brilliant. Thank you so much, Glynis. He's going to love that. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm going to pop that aside. So this is Stylecraft and it's a Aran yarn. It's really pretty and there's 4 balls of that. Thank you so much, Glynis. Thank you so much. Now there's 100 grams in this and there is, it doesn't tell you how many. The shade number is 1019. It says cloud blue. It's cloud blue. It doesn't tell you how many meters. Oh, it does. It's got 196 meters. That's 214 yards per ball. It's a natural anti-piling, so it shouldn't go all fluffy so much as other stuff. And knits to all Aran patterns. Tells you to use a 5mm crochet hook. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Glynis. Thank you so much. It is all the same. There is another label in that bag there. So thank you so much. Now I'm off to make my dinner because I haven't been home very long. I had to go away and collect my phone. So I'm off to make I'm off to make my dinner. But as I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting and I'll see you all again soon. And thank you so much, Glynis. Thank you for this. It's beautiful yarn. It really is. Goodbye.